clothes is done. But yeah, this healthy lifestyle, it really is not as bad as people make it seem. You can really be plant-based, vegan, whatever, and still have tasty ass meals. I just made a vegan bacon, egg, and cheese. Okay, well, I don't know if whole wheat bread is vegan. Oh, it is. Oh, vegetarian. Okay, so I made a vegetarian bacon, egg, and cheese. But let me tell y'all what I use. And I just ate one. I have a whole nother one over there, and I'm kind of full just off one. Excuse me, I just, you know. But vegan butter for my toast, and then I already showed y'all the whole wheat bread. Plant-based mozzarella. Okay, and this is the kicker that I just tried for the first time. This thing called Just Egg, made from plant. You could not tell that if you season it up the right way. Well, I didn't, you know, I feel like even if you don't season it up a lot, it's still gonna be good. This shocked the hell out of me. I thought I was eating a regular bacon, egg, and cheese just now. That shit, and then I threw out the box. Hold on, let me see. And then the bacon, vegetarian. Yeah, it's not, I had a vegetarian breakfast, not a vegan breakfast. But this bacon will shock the hell out of you too. I swear, it tastes like you eating turkey bacon. But let me make my second one real quick. But look, my egg is a little crispy because, you know, this is my first time making it, so I was playing with it a little bit. But the bacon right there, and then I got my toast in there waiting for me. Let me make it and I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna show y'all me making it. Makes more sense. Let's get started. Stop worrying about the room things too, y'all. My clothes is washing, you know. I still got the same stuff on because my clothes is washing. As I told y'all about my whole situation, I didn't bring all my clothes with me. I left his suitcase full of clothes and my suitcase full of clothes. And I just brought the laundry bag of clothes that we already wore to put back on for now. But I'm probably gonna go back over there. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. To get the rest of our stuff, but don't judge, okay? Alright, so you get your toast. Hear me? Toasty toast. Why did it look like that? I'm gonna have to wipe off the screen. Oh, I put my I put my greasy ass fingers on the camera. Hold on. Look like I'm just making it worse. Scared to put anything on this lens, so this is what's important. He naked. Naked? He waiting for more egg. He like that egg too. I let him try it. Egg. He ain't never had no real egg, and he will never have no real egg. That's the one. Yep. Dust steam up. Alright, there we go. Much better. Yeah, I'm on my gut. I told y'all I just ate. Alrighty then. Alright. So you get your whole wheat. Whole wheat. Okay? Toast that thing. I'm sitting here letting all my stuff get cold. Toast that thing. You gotta butter that thing. You gotta butter that thing. Oh, see, the butter's supposed to just melt right on there when it's hot. But, you know, I'm over here trying to get things spiffy for y'all. Now y'all get the point. Butter that thing. That butter. Butter that butter. Alrighty then. Then you get your bacon. Okay, shaking bacon. Okay. Shaking bacon like so. You gotta. Ooh. See, the other ones was crispier than that. They was actually like just. I'll be a bit off of that, so you know. Y'all get the point. And then you get your egg. I'm very shocked by this imitation egg though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, what? The way, like when I bit into that first sandwich, I was like, nah, boy, ain't no way, ain't no way. Can't miss a beat. No, he already want more. Right, boy. And you gotta fold him, press him down like so. And then you gotta slice and dice him. You hear me? You gotta. You gotta. Slice him. And there you have it. A vegetarian bacon, egg, and cheese, baby. He's over there laughing at me. Anyways, out of here, boy. I don't know how long this video is. I'll probably give y'all a little tour of the spot in another one, depending on how long this is. If this is not long enough, then I'll add it to the end. But it's gonna be quick, so I'll probably add it anyways, you know. Later, gator.